सो हेलो गाइज़, वेलकम बैक टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज मैं एक नया वीडियो लेके आ गई हूँ जिसमें जो पेरीमीटर और एरिया का जो वीडियो मैंने पहले भी डाला हुआ है, आप मेरे चैनल में जाकर देख सकते हो। पार्ट 1 में मैंने एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, ये सब का एरिया और पेरीमीटर डिस्कस किया था। तो आज मैं एरिया ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम डिस्कस करूँगी, ठीक है। दिस इज ए पैरेललोग्राम, दिस इज एच हाइट, this is base, which is base is equal to length and height is equal to breadth. Okay, so in this parallelogram ABCD, D is the height and AB is the base. Okay, any side of parallelogram can be chosen as the base of the parallelogram. Any side you can choose the base. Okay, and the perpendicular dropped on that side from opposite vertex is known as height or altitude. Okay, कोई भी साइड को आप बेस ले सकते हो और जो परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप है वो उसी साइड से ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स पे फ्रॉम दैट ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स टू दैट साइड. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप्ड ऑन दैट साइड फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स इज नोन एज हाइट और एल्टीट्यूड. सो इन दिस पिक्चर ABCD, DE इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. ये DE है हाइट एंड AB परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. So here AB is the base and DE is the height. Okay, in next picture ABCD, BF is perpendicular to AD. This is BF and this is AD. Okay, so AD is the base and BF is the height. Okay, ये BF है height. ठीक है. So this is our example 1. One side of the parallelogram is 4 cm and height is the 3 cm. Find the area. Okay, so this is the parallelogram. Base is 4 and the height is 3. So we can take the any side is base. So I will take this side base. Okay, so base is equal to 4 cm and height is equal to 3 cm. What is the area? Area is equal to B into H, which is equal to 4 cm into 3 cm, which is equal to 12 cm. So our area is 12 cm. So अगर इसी तरह का बेस और हाइट दिया गया होगा तो आप एरिया इजीली निकाल पाओगे, ठीक है. So next our example is find the height x if the area of parallelogram is 24 cm square and base is 4 cm. Okay, so this is a parallelogram, 4 cm base and height is x. So area is given. What is the area? 24 cm. So area of a parallelogram is equal to B into H. We know that the formula is base into height. Okay, so 24 is equal to 4 into x, where 4 is the base and x is the height. So x is equal to 24 by 4, which is equal to 6 cm. So a height is equal to 6 cm. Okay, next example 3. Find the area of the following triangles. This is a triangle PQR where base is 4 cm and height is 2 cm. This is a triangle LMN where base is 3 cm and height is outside the triangle, that is 2 cm. So in question triangle 1, area of triangle is equal to half into B by B into H, that means half into QR into PS, where QR is the base and PS is the height. So half into 4 cm into 2 cm, which is equal to 4 cm square. Okay, next area of this triangle, half into B into H, where half into MN is the base and LO is the height. This is LO and this is MN. Half into 3 cm into 2 cm, which is equal to 3 cm square. So area of the triangle is 3 cm square. Next example 4. This is a triangle ABC where height is given 3 cm. Find BC. That means we have to calculate base BC. Okay, if the area of the triangle ABC is 36 cm square and height is AD is 3 cm. Here area and height is given. We have to calculate only the base. Which what is the base? BC is the base. So area of a triangle, this is a triangle sign. Okay, which is equal to half into B into H, where half into B into H, what is the height? 3 cm. So 36 is equal to half into B into 3. मैंने 36 क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि 36 सेंटीमीटर ऑलरेडी गिवन एरिया. ओके, सो B is equal to 36 into 2 cross multiplication by 3, which is equal to 24 cm. So our base is 24 cm. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताइए और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए. सो ये एरिया पेरीमीटर और एरिया का दूसरा वीडियो था। पहला वीडियो आप मेरे चैनल में जाके चेक कर सकते हो, ठीक है। थैंक यू।